earlier, there is an app which is great for families on the go. It's very similar to the web-based version of Schoology. You'll be able to log into your account, track your students' progress, access the parent guardian Schoology group. It may be a little limited compared to the web-based version, but in my opinion, I feel like the app is pretty comparable to the web-based version. So it's definitely great for our parents who have a lot going on, can't always get to a computer. I know today I am guilty as well. I use my phone for a lot of things, especially out of work hours. So having an app is definitely a great resource. So I'll walk everybody through how to download the Schoology app, but if you do run into any issues, please reach out to me or feel free to stay after this meeting, and I can help you with any issues that you run into. So in your iPhone or Android or whatever mobile device that you use, you're going to open up your app store and search for Schoology. Then you're going to look for this graphic and you're going to download that app. Once the app is downloaded, when you open it, you're gonna come to a screen that looks like this. It's gonna say sign in through my school, sign in with my account, and sign in with a QR code. Make sure you're clicking sign in through my school. So once you click that, you're gonna wanna search for our school, which is, Achievement House Cyber Charter School. So you're gonna wanna type out Achievement House Cyber Charter School. A couple different schools may appear with similar names than us. So if you are confused about which school to pick, make sure you're picking the one that's located in Exton, PA. But I'm pretty sure all the other schools listed in there have some variation of Achievement House. But make sure you're looking for exactly Achievement House Cyber Charter School. So once you have the correct school picked, this pop-up box is going to appear here that's going to ask if you want to go to SSO or stay here. Click go to SSO. That's going to take you to that Microsoft login page, the same one that you would encounter when you're logging into your Schoology account using like a laptop or a desktop. So make sure you're clicking go to SSO. Once you do that, like I said, this should be very similar to how it is if you log in from a laptop or a desktop. Enter your school issued email, click next, enter in your password that the school has given you, and then click sign in, and you'll be logged into Schoology. So like I said here, you can see your students' grades, you'll have access to the parent guardian Schoology group, you can still check your messages, and you'll have access to the main Schoology announcement page so that you can stay up to date about what's going on at our school. So I think the app is great for all of our parents and guardians, especially if you don't always have access to a laptop or desktop. But again, students should not be using the Schoology app. If they try to use the Schoology app to complete their schoolwork, Schoology actually does not recognize their login attempt and they'll be marked absent for the day. So we encourage students to always be using their school issued laptops.